Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
It is the great pirate family, hunted by the Marines. Pirates sail the deadly seas of the New World in search of the legendary treasure of Gold Roger, the One Piece. Now, Monkey D. Luffy, the boy whose body became rubber after eating the gum fruit, sets sail with his faithful crew to become the king of the pirates. Their next stop is a lush green island called Midori Island. A new adventure is about to unfold.
Listen up! I am Marine Captain Tashigi, and I have reason to believe that pirates are hiding here in Midori Island. And I expect every one of you to help us locate them! Contains a large supply of gunpowder that is used by our Navy for explosives. We wouldn't want pirates to destroy your island now, would we? Is there anyone here that has information about the pirates?
Yo, Captain Tashigi.
Like Admiral Borsellino.
Ooh, don't you know? Multiple sources have confirmed that Monkey D. Luffy is somewhere on this island.
Find him and report back to you.
I am counting on you. If Straw Hats go on a rampage, the island won't remain safe. Midori Island and their residents are important to the Marines. We have to protect our assets. When you find them, bring them directly to me. I'll be waiting.
Yes, sir.
The fearless Usopp is here! Where are the potteries?
Can these potteries be used as medicine?
Look, I've discovered a gorgeous person!
Don't work, Grouse. Don't get distracted.
Zoro, you finally made it!
Lost again, huh?
I was enjoying an excellent drink. Aboard the Sunny.
As I was saying, potteries are the precious seed of my black Kabuto, the source of the Green Star. I've heard rumors that Midori Island grows fruits with amazing effects. If I use them, my common powers will increase.
Hey, beautiful. Do you know where the pop greens are? Can't seem to find any. Not sure who to ask.
Seriously, always distracted.
Help me look for the potteries. Yes.
Pirates, this is the Navy. You are surrounded. Drop your weapons and surrender immediately.
Nami, look out! This one's tough.
Residents of Midori Island, do not move. You are accused of harboring members of the Straw Hat Crew. What? These people are innocent. They had nothing to do with this. Straw Hat Crew, this time there is no escape. Surrender quietly or your friends will suffer.
Yeah, no thanks.
I'll take care of the sheep. It's been a while, Captain.
Stand down, Brother Zoro.
Let's settle this, Captain Four Eyes.
Leave the Marines to me.
That's good flash.
for the green something.
Now that you mention it, that does sound like a good idea. But we found him first.
Well, I'm a pirate. Hand them over.
Get him! Don't worry, Luffy. I got this.
Hand over the pop ring.
Hey there, pirates.
Alright, Usopp, this is definitely bad.
Oh, invited the Admiral. This party is getting so crowded.
You fools don't seem to know anything, do you? This is a gunpowder island. The mess you're making will cause the island to explode. If you value your life, you'd better surrender. Hands up.
No dice. I've only got the one.
Seriously?
What? Have you seen my other one? What are you pointing at? Well, you fool! Give me back my hand! Jump, jump! Psych! Thanks!
Looks like you're having fun, Mosshead.
Support the Admiral.
I'll deal with you. Diable Jumbe!
Secret Arm! 3,000 worlds!
Guess I'm gonna clean up your mess.
Well, well, a joint attack by two Yonko. This should be fun.
Let's go! Gamuga!
Not bad. Yasakai, sacred jewel. Amano Murakumo, sword.
Jump, jump! Get it!
Midori Island, and their journey continued, bound for new seas.